A certain sum of money is divided among Shreya, Linda and Vipin. Shreya gets 1/3 of the amount. Linda gets thrice as much as Vipin. And Vipin gets rupees 1200 less than Shreya. Find the share of each here. So we need to find here how much each they have received the money. Okay, so for that what we will do, first here the certain sum of money that we don't know, that what we will do, we will consider as a x here. Okay, now see here, among that Shreya, how much she received. Shreya gets a 1/3 of the amount. So this is what we have considered as a amount here. So before that what I will do, this total amount we are sharing in between Shreya, S for Shreya, L for Linda and V for Vipin here. We will consider here. Okay, and Shreya, how much she has received? She has received 1/3 of the amount. 1/3, 1/3 of the amount. Amount is how much? That is x here. Okay, now this was about the Shreya, and the next one is Linda. Linda gets a thrice as much as a Vipin here. Okay, so in this sentence we don't know how much for the Vipin here. So first we will calculate for the Vipin here. Vipin gets the 1200 less than the Shreya. We know that already Shreya, how much she is having? One third. This is 1/3, 1/3. Okay, 1/3 of x. Compared to this Vipin, he's having less than how much? 1200 to the Shreya. So this is 1200 less than the Shreya. Now we got for the Vipin here. Now is the Linda. Linda gets thrice as much as a Vipin. Thrice is nothing but 3 times as much of the Vipin. Vipin is having 1/3 x minus 1200. Okay, so this is the share is happened here. Okay, now what we will do, when we will add these 3 shares, we are going to get the sum money, that is total money. So we will get the expression like this: x equals to 1 into x, I'll get x by 3 here, plus this we need to, let me write as it is here, x by 3 minus 1200. Okay, plus, and Vipin's, that is x by 3 minus 1200. This is total amount. In that amount has been shared like this. This is for Shreya, this is for Vipin, Linda, and this is for the Vipin here. Okay, so let the money x, and we have to write like this. Okay, now we will start simplifying. This is okay. Now at the left side, let me write x as it is, and x by 3 here. We will open the brackets here, plus 3 into x, that is 3x by 3 minus 3 1200s we have to do. Okay, 3 1200s we will get, that is 3600 here. Okay, now plus x by 3 minus 1200. Okay, now see here, this 3 get cancels, 3 get cancelled. I mean 3 ones are here, 3 ones are. So what left? And before that, x by 3, what we can do, we can add here. Since the denominator are same, so I'll directly add the numerator. So I'll be getting, that is 2x by 3 here, and plus here it is x left, and here it is minus 3600, and here it is the minus 1200. Okay, so both having this like sign, so we need to add here. After addition, I'll be getting, that is 4800, and the bigger number carrying the negative sign, I have written that. Okay, now what I will do, I will shift this plus x to the left side. So when I'll shift, it will become minus x equals to 2x by 3 minus 4800. Now see here, plus x minus x get cancelled. So what left here? At the left side, only 0 equals to 2x by 3 minus 4800. Now I'll bring, what we can do, I'll bring minus 4800 to left side. When I'll bring, it will become plus 4800 equals to 2x by 3 here. Now let me shift 3 to left side. So I'll be having 3 into 4800. Meanwhile, I'm taking 2 to the left side. So it will become in the form of division. And what left at right side? We left with only x here. Now we can do the cancellation. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 0 0. Okay. Now we will multiply 3 with the 2400 here. Now 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. 3 4s are 12. 1. 3 2s are 6. Plus 1 is 7. So x value how much we got? That is 7200. So the total amount it was, that is 7200, right? Now we will calculate for the share of each in the question. So for Shreya, what we have considered, for Shreya was 1/3 of the total amount. So 1/3, and the total amount we found, that is 7200. Okay, now 3 1s are, see here, 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6 left with the 1 here, 3 4s are 12, and 0 0. So Shreya's, she how much received the money? That is rupees 2400. Okay, for now we will calculate for the Vipin. Okay, Vipin's was how much? That was a, they have said no, Vipin gets a 1200 less than the, Vipin gets the 1200 less than the Shreya. Now Shreya's amount we got, that is 2400, right? in that only what we will do, we will subtract the 1200 here. Okay, so how much I'll get? It is left with the rupees 1200. So Vipin received a 1200 rupees. Now we will go for the Linda. Linda's, for what we have considered, this is what, so thrice. Okay, and this is the amount we have calculated, that is 2400 minus 1200. Okay, see here 3, here this will get a 1200. We need to multiply 3 with the 1200. See, 3 zeros is 0, 3 zeros is 0, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3, and Linda received the 3600 amount here. Okay.